There's nothing I like better at the end of a long, hard day than sitting on the couch with my wife, watching some silly shows and stuffing my face with some snacks and a few oat sodas. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a snack food tray. Let's get into it. All right, we're only gonna need 6 pieces of wood for this. We have 2 at 14 by 4.5, 2 at 11.5 by 4.5, 1 at 14 by 10, and 1 at the very top, 16 by 13. And the only crazy thing you're gonna need for this is a jigsaw, obviously a table saw to cut these, and then a jigsaw. And then we will use a couple of these trays that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for these if you're interested, but this is what you'll be able to put your snacks in, your drinks in, take them out to clean them if you need to. Let's get into it. All right, we got all the base parts sanded up, so we're gonna get that assembled really quick before we move on to the top part. All right, real easy here. We're just gonna put a bead of glue and then brad nail this in all 4 sides. All right, basic box done. We're gonna fill some of these holes, sand it. Top part of this will sit on it, but we gotta cut some holes out for these compartments. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna route a decorative edge around this just to jazz it up a little bit. Then I will make the templates of where I'm gonna cut out, drill a hole, jigsaw it out, and then assemble it. All right, we're gonna route an edge along all 4 sides of this. We got our box done and we got our top routed. Now I'm going to trace out where to put these bins and these cup holders, and then we'll cut those out with the jigsaw. All right, I'm gonna get some measurements here, where to mark so I know where to cut out, so it's all symmetrical, right? So I'm gonna go in from this notch right here, cut with the router. I'm gonna go in an inch from here to here, and the same from here to here on the back side. And so we'll mark those out. All right, I'll drill a hole in each one, just enough so I can fit in my jigsaw blade, and then we'll cut these out. I'm using a 1/2 inch bit, which is gonna give me plenty of clearance for my jigsaw. All right, we're gonna get these cut out with the jigsaw. We are gonna have some tear out, but remember these things all got these really big lips, so you're not gonna see any of it. All right, it's messy, but it's done. I'm going to get this nice and sanded up, take out all this garbage. All right, y'all, not gonna lie, it's got a little ugly. Next time, I probably would have put down some masking tape, which I already knew that, being a little lazy, because I'd already traced out the lines and means I'd have to retrace them, but do it right the first time. And now, these are all gonna be covered up, so you're not gonna see it, but you know, you're gonna take these out to wash them, you know, when you're done having your snack night. And you'll see it and you'll be like, oh, that's ugly. So anyhow, food for thought. I did cut this down an extra inch. It was too wide on this side. It's gonna hang over about 3/8 of an inch on each side. And this side was a little bit longer. So I cut it and then routed the edge on it. And so I'm gonna put down glue, sit it on here, throw a couple brads in, and then we'll get it stained. All right, time to stain. All right, we are finished. Remove any sawdust before using. You can take these out, obviously, and wash them so they're all ready to go.
Honey, I just love this new thing you built. This is so perfect.
That's perfect, babe.
It's so nice.
Some popcorn and some beer. This is perfect.
This is for our little couch
Thank you.
time. This is so nice.
That's great. That's great.
I love it.
Oh, perfect. All right, thanks, honey. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I'm ready to watch the show.
You gonna share that?
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I didn't make one for you.
Oh, what's mine is yours, honey. What's yours is mine. Remember?